So this is a guest house in Asutsuare in the Shai Osidoku district of the Greater Accra region. So this is a project that I and my team worked on. We did from the initial stage, electrical stage, to the finishing. Actually, we are here to complete it once and for all. So it's a nice place. You can see that there's one consumer unit here, another consumer unit here. There's some kind of extension here. This is actually where we came to fix the final switches, ceiling fans, socket outlets. We came to complete this. We are yet to fix the doors. It's fully tile, POP ceiling. The ceiling fan, regulator. So this will be a wall light here. There's the ceiling light right there. So like I said, we've been around for a while. We started, or we began